Welcome to Tech Talk. Today, we're answering a big question. How do computers actually work? Computers are everywhere, pockets, cars, even refrigerators. But how do they function? At the heart of it all are transistors. These tiny switches can be on, 1, or off, 0, forming the basis of the binary number system that computers use to calculate and process data. The Q's, or central processing unit, is the brain of the computer, packed with billions of these transistors. It handles input, like clicking a mouse or typing, and translates it into instructions. For example, play this video or open that app I clicked 3 times. Other computer components rely on the CPU's instructions, but they don't understand its complex language. A special chip acts as a translator, converting the CPU's commands into actions, like speeding up fans or displaying graphics on your monitor. Thanks to rapid advancements, computer power doubles roughly every 2 years. Who knows? In 20 years, your phone might drive your car. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Until next time, keep exploring technology.